Today we're looking at editing an end screen on a video that has been uploaded onto YouTube. So the first thing we do is to open YouTube. I'm clicking to open my YouTube account, and from the drop down menu I should be clicking on the one at the top, which is your channel. If you have a channel trailer, this will open. Click on the activation indicator to stop it running, which I've done. On the right hand top of the page will be the message Manage Videos. Left click on this. This will bring up 30 or thereabouts of your latest videos on the left of the picture. If you need to go further back, you can turn the page by scrolling down to the bottom of the page, as I'm doing here, and at the bottom right you will see there are arrows there that allows you to click on and open other pages. So if we go back to the top, from this list choose first of all the video that you wish to edit, and next to the thumbnail you will see a little square, and you will need to click on this. Run your cursor arrow over the video description to the right of the thumbnail. Several graphics will appear. Left click on the pen graphic immediately to the right of the thumbnail. So there we are, that's the one. So we'll click on that. This will open your editing page for the end screen of that particular video. If you scroll down, on the right appears a box labelled end screen. Left click on this. This will bring up a picture of the end screen and a progress chart showing the end at the end of the video. Left click on the thumbnail that you wish to replace. So we're going to replace this video here, which is titled Desperate Ex Battery Hens Free at Last, and then we'll delete it by clicking on the little dustbin graphic to the top left hand side of that page. If you wish to add another video to the end screen to replace this one, left click video after dropping the drop down list at the left top. So I'll click on video. It will immediately light up the one that you wish to replace. Just below the word element there is a 3 choice drop down, scroll down to choose specific video. So this is the one that we're going to scroll down, choose specific video. We'll choose that one. It will then bring up pictures and thumbnails of the ones that you wish to put in its place. So I'm going to click this one down to the left at the left hand bottom, and it will then immediately appear into the box for the one that we've just edited out. This will then bring up a picture of the end screen with the new video in place, which is up here. We can then if we look down to the progress chart at the bottom of the page, if we left click at the end of this one that we've just introduced, this video we've just introduced, we can move it along by holding down the button so it lines up with all the rest, so everything all appears all at the same time. What we can do now is to click on save, which is the right hand top and is lit up blue. It will save the alterations that we've made. and now the job is finished. So it's relatively simple if you follow these instructions.